how to turn off save posted photo to your phone automatically on your Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. After this, as you see on your Instagram, it's open, and you go down and you open your profile. Then you go to this three line at the top of the screen. Then you go to settings. After settings, you go to account, and after accounts, you go to original post. You click, then you will find the second option, save posted photo. You go to the right and you turn off this option by clicking here on this place like that, and it's done for you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you